In this video, I'll guide you through the how to enable margin on Webull. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, enabling margin can be a great way to expand your investment opportunities. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Webull app and make sure you're signed into your account. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the app. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the menu option. Tap on it to proceed. Now that you're in the menu, look for the settings option. This is where you can manage different aspects of your Webull account. Tap on settings and then navigate to manage brokerage account. This section allows you to make important changes to your account settings, including enabling margin trading. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll notice an option labeled margin account. This is what you've been looking for. Tap on Apply Now to initiate your margin account application. This step is crucial as it formally starts the process of setting up margin trading for your account. Next, you'll need to select Open Account. This will prompt you to fill in some personal information. Ensure you enter accurate details as this information is vital for setting up your margin account correctly. In some cases, you might need to go through an identity verification process. This step is essential to verify your identity and ensure the security of your account. Once you've completed the form and any necessary verification steps, submit your application. Webull will then review your application for approval. This review process can vary in time, so be sure to keep an eye on your notifications for an update. Once your application has been approved, the margin feature will be activated on your account. You'll receive a confirmation, and from that point onward, you'll have access to margin trading through Webull. And there you have it. That's how to enable margin on Webull. By following these steps, you can take advantage of margin trading to potentially increase your investment returns. Just remember, with greater opportunities come greater risks. So be sure to trade responsibly. Thanks for watching and happy trading.